Okay, hello laptop and computer users. This is how we'll be accessing Scratch, the website we'll be using to make our programs and code, and how we'll be saving our work to send off. So, depending on your computer or laptop, it may be Mac, it may be Windows, you may have Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox. I'm going to be using Safari for this example as my laptop is a Mac. What we're going to do is type in Scratch. So it already comes up as I've already accessed the site. Hit enter and it should come up with this one here, so scratch.mit.edu. This is the one we want. So what we're going to do is click that. Fantastic, we're on the home page. So from there we are going to go to create. And there we go, we're in Scratch. Easy as that for laptops and computers. Now, depending on your laptop and computer, it may ask you to download a program called Adobe Flash Player. If it does, this is where we'll be going. Click that, and then we'll be downloading this one. It's completely free, but just in that, so just in case that happens, you will have to download that. But if not, and you can use this, everything's working, nothing's popped up, then you're all set. So imagine it is, or for example, this is lesson 1 and I've done, this is my work for lesson 1. So hello, how are you? And stop. So when clicked, hello, how are you? Let's have a look at the works. Fantastic. Okay, so imagine this is our work, ready to send this off. So what we're going to do is go to File and save to your computer. Now, depending on your on what you're using, could be Safari or Google. Might appear down here that you've downloaded it. It may appear up here that you've downloaded it. But we want to find that file we've just saved. So mine's in my downloads folder down here. I'm going to drag that out onto our front page, our home screen. Before we send it off, we're going to have to rename it. So Scratch Lesson 1, as this is Lesson 1, and I'm going to need to put my initials, so LS, as my name is Luke Sims. Scratch Lesson 1 LS. Fantastic, so it's all ready to go. So as I did then, you can go to Get Info to rename it, or you can go to Rename to rename it. Sure the capitals. And there we go. So it's ready to send. So we're ready to send. On the computer, when you open up and are reading through the first lesson, my email should be here. Now, this isn't my email, this is just an example, but you'll be able to click it. So when we do click it, it's going to come up with an example email to send off. And what we're going to do in that email is, depending on where you've answered these questions, you may have written down your answers or maybe opened Pages or Microsoft Word to answer them. What you're going to do is copy and paste your answers into the email. And what you're going to do is also attach the work you've done today to that email also. So finished, ready to send everything off, the answer to my 3 questions. the answers to my 3 questions and my work. So when I click it, it's going to appear straight away. So subject is lesson 1. It should have your email here from where you're sending it from. And what we're going to do is copy our answers. Imagine these are my answers to the questions. Copy and paste. And we're also going to attach our program or project. So attach document or file. Scratch lesson 1 LS, that's the one. Choose file, and it should appear down here. So answer these 3 questions, your program, and then it's ready to send off. Okay, that is the end of the video. Thank you